Now, this is a 1901 Locomobile, and as such it's driven by steam. There's a boiler in the back that originally was fueled by gas or kerosene or some other combustible liquid, built up a pressure and sent the steam to the motor that's underneath the seat. The burner is in the back. Now, this car has been assembled from essentially a group of parts. Done a wonderful job. They've updated some of the systems. You'll see as we pan around the car, there are disc brakes in the front and the back. Now, that certainly was not standard equipment in 1901, but certainly it has to be done to make it a safe car. And the original combustion has been changed from gas to oil. So basically, though, the principle is the same. It heats water, and water is turned to steam, and when it reaches a certain pressure, it goes to the engine and makes the engine run. Not many of these exist. Essentially, it's made of wood, and wood, of course, degenerates over a period of time. But this is a great recreation. Can you imagine what it was like running around in something like this? And pretty quiet, I would say. There you see the disc brakes. A neat car, and certainly attracted a crowd. And the owner was busy describing the operation of the vehicle, and very proud of it, as he should be. Notice all the gauges there that have to do with the steam pressures. And there is the engine underneath the seat. And it's run by steam.